So, did you guys bring the specs?
Yeah, of course. I also put together a full report.
So, if they can't solve this, what are we going to do?
Welcome to the MTC.
We came to the MTC because we had a problem. We had a lot of problems.
Our infrastructure is exploding.
Huge amounts of data,
And our people, they need to work from anywhere.
multiple interfaces, multiple devices,
We need to utilize the social media.
maintain security.
And we need to control cost.
We've got tons of data, but we don't understand it, we can't find it, and we can't use it. We need to transform information into business insight.
I see customers coming to the MTC every day, and I know being personally involved in understanding their needs is the best way to come up with the right solution. So we usually start the day with a discussion about what they are trying to do in regards to their business.
We can see the kind of growth we are looking at here.
All this data that you're talking about needs to be secure as well as made available outside of the company.
Without spending a fortune on it.
Why don't I show you some options?
So they take us into the envisioning center, and right away, we see a scenario that addresses our issues.
What I'm going to do is to show you some scenarios on these screens, just to show you exactly how this technology works.
And with all that technology in front of us, it was really easy to have a useful discussion.
But how do we put that layer of technology over existing infrastructure? Can't afford any downtime.
Great question. Let me pull in my colleague.
They had a lot of information, but more importantly, they had the people that understood it all, and they could help us create a solution.
So, if he's traveling, can he still collaborate with us in real time?
Sure. Now his phone become his laptop.
What really impressed me at this stage was that everything was on the table. Software, hardware, servers, mobile devices. They were not just there to show us Microsoft products. They had a huge number of partners they could fold into the solution.
Okay, let's talk about security.
We've got a lot of sensitive information floating around.
And compliance issues.
We want to make sure our customers have the solution that exactly meet their needs.
By keeping the information into the cloud, you control who sees it and when.
This is not a one-size-fits-all operation.
So, want to see the real thing?
The server room really blew me away.
With 20 years of experience building data centers, we learned how to build them faster, protect them better, and even keep them cooler in an energy-efficient manner.
I didn't even have to put on a sweater.
When we walked in here, we had some old technology, some new technology, some Microsoft technology, even some technology from other companies. And until today, until right now, I never thought they could all work together.
I love the functionality, but can we make it available on a tablet?
Actually, I've got it running right here.
Okay, I like this concept, but I really need to see it in action before we can buy off on it.
No problem. Tomorrow when you come back, we'll work on the prototype.
I'll be honest, when we came in here, I didn't know what to expect. But now I can see what's possible for us.
In one day, the MTC showed us a solution, a strategy to implement it, and offered to help us prove it.
We believe that the MTC creates new possibilities by enabling innovation and by creating a place where our customers and our partners can get new ideas. And the best part of it is you get to experience it, not just talk about it. That's why we've brought world-class talent to the MTC, to invest in building new capabilities and deep talent expertise.
That was,
Great! And I can't wait to get back to the office.
That was a good day.
It was.